Alright, welcome back. Here we go. We have some archive footage for you. This was an excellent one. We wanted to bring this back to see if any of you guys have any information on this particular sighting over here. Is that a dog? Looks like this guy sitting in his car. That's crazy. You can see the dog at the bottom right. Apparently the dog's not bothered by this, so this object made no noise whatsoever. And it is taking place at a Target. You can tell that symbol is universal. So as a Target store, retail store, he's sitting in the parking lot. And you can tell there's traffic going by on the left over there. But, and then there's his dog. You can see the dog at the bottom right. That's crazy. This is one of our more unique footages that we received for sure. Here's the extreme close-up. I mean, this is why, you know, this footage seems legit. Seriously, look at this. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell what it is. This is zoomed in, you know. I mean, the guy's sitting in his car. He's just taking it with his cell phone. This is excellent footage, guys. What is this thing? I mean, it's like a disc or something, but the lighting's, you know, it's got some weird lighting. Some shaking going on, as to be expected, I guess, when you're filming things like this. But this is, yeah, definitely one of the better ones. If you guys have any information on this footage, you know, please leave it down in the comments below. Apparently it did happen at a Target, at the retail store. And you know, here's this object over here, just excellent. It's just hovering, no sound. Apparently this guy's got his dog with him, and the dog doesn't seem to be bothered by this craft. You know, usually they kind of have a sense where they can just, you know, sense things, but must not be a threat. Excellent footage, guys. Well, anyway, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And as we said, this is archive footage, so if you guys have any news on this, please leave it down in the comments below. And stay tuned. We have a lot more for you. Alright, here we go. UFO sightings. Excellent footage. Check this out. This is recent footage, guys. We just received this February 24th, 2017. We'll be bringing it to you in our February 25th, 2017 video. Man, this is excellent footage over here. Obviously the source was sitting inside a plane, and he saw this UFO flying by, pulled out his cell phone and started filming it. Look at this UFO. Just incredible, guys. Looks like it might be reflecting its environment. Seems to be a lot of heat distortion going on. This is about as clear as it's gonna get. Unfortunately, the UFO does, like we said, have some heat distortion going on. Here's a close-up of it. Wow, look at that. And according to the source, this footage was taken over North Dakota. We're working on getting an exact flight number for you, if he will release that to us. But this is just, you know, we got to see incredible, one of the better sightings that we have received. Look at this. In recent footage too, February 2017. Look at the back end of the UFO. It looks like it's got a little bit of a different shape to it. Here's an extreme close-up for you. Wow, just excellent, guys. Once again, this is, you know, from inside a plane over North Dakota, and we are working on getting an exact flight number for you guys. This is, you know, according to the source, and then here's the footage. Just excellent. Well, we're gonna have to stay proof positive on this one, guys, for sure. Excellent UFO footage, and you know, incredible. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll be bringing you these videos as soon as we get them, and we will talk to you soon. You have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage here. UFO sightings, strange lights indeed. This was a stormy night over here, according to the source. And take a look at this. What is going on? This is very interesting. It looks, there's definitely lights, and then slowing the footage down here a little bit so we can take a closer look. This is very interesting. It looks like some kind of cloaking device possibly on it. Once again, title is UFO Sightings Strange Lights. For sure on this one. Now, here's the deal. This is outside the source's work. He was doing some overtime. There were a couple of people that did witness this UFO. And, this comes to us from Ohio. It was at a plant. He doesn't want to give out the exact location of the plant, but these guys were I think they were getting out of work, and they came out and then they saw this. He was putting in some overtime. I guess that's why it's kind of late at night, and this is a stormy night, and maybe this thing's causing this, or whatever's going on. Look at this. This is very interesting, guys. These lights, it's hard to tell what's going on. I mean, is this, possibly, I guess, could be ball lightning, but I'm not sure about that one. It looks like it's something that may be cloaked or something. And the lights, that's why here's an extreme close-up. Look at this. Very interesting footage, guys. This is definitely a UFO for sure. Once again, UFO sightings, strange lights in the sky. And this happened outside the source's work. This video does come to us from Ohio. The source was putting in some overtime, and there were more than one witnesses. Him and his friends did see this. Unfortunately, this is the only footage we have of this sighting. Excellent footage over here, guys. If you have any information, or if you guys have witnessed this UFO, please leave it down in the comments below. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll be bringing you these videos as soon as we get them. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO Sightings Toys R Us, and take a look at this amazing UFO footage. Look at that. And the reason why it's named Toys R Us, the source was in Michigan. This was yesterday, so it came in April 6, 2018, and apparently they were going to see what kind of deals they could get. Apparently the Toys R Us are closing around the country, so, and this is what they saw. It's kind of like, sounds like a sad story. The Toys R Us are closing. Man, it is sad. But anyway, take a look at this UFO. Look at that. I mean, this thing was flying in the air, so they parked. I got a chance to talk to the source, and he parked on the side of the road, and it was on the side of the building, I should say. And this is what they saw. This was after they'd come back in. They loaded the toys into the car, and then they saw this UFO. He just pulled out his cell phone and started filming it. Take a look at that. And then look at the side of the building. There are those security cameras. Maybe the security camera also caught something. That'd be interesting to see. But look at this UFO. I mean, definitely a unique shaped UFO. Looks like it has a light on the front and just moving through the air. Made no noise whatsoever, according to the source. Once again, brand new footage, April 6, 2018. Excellent UFO footage over here. Take a look at that. I mean, what is that? Looks like there's wings on it. Definitely a unique UFO, to say the least. Haven't seen anything like this before. Look at the top there. Looks like there's another line there. Very interesting. Well, there's the footage, ladies and gentlemen. UFO Sightings, Toys R Us. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description. We have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. That being said, have a good day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Click subscribe. Click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.
We're on our way home. It's been a while, but we're finally here.